Hello guys, good morning. Nagluto tayo ng tinola with chicken, Chloe. And then lalagyan natin siya ng spinach. Marami siyang spinach. Para healthy. Ayan siya. Dami niya. And then, tatakloban natin siya para ma-steam. Ayan siya. Try nyo guys. Tinola, chicken tinola with cabbage, carrots, and of course chicken and spinach. Halo-haloin natin siya para maano yung chicken. And here you go, Chloe. Ayan siya, oh. Another 2 minutes and okay na siya. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Pasensya na kayo sa background ni Chloe. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.